To turn off talkback on Poco F8 UItra, first of all, you have to start by opening the settings. If you don't know how to navigate in the talkback, so for example, you are trying to open something and it is not basically opened. So first of all, to open the settings, you have to click on it. When you got this green frame around that item, you have to quickly double tap on this one. This is the way to open something. Now, if you want to scroll up and down or move to the left or the right side, you have to use your two fingers. Take a look. We can scroll down by using two fingers. If I'm gonna use my single finger, it's not working. So with the two fingers, you can just swipe up and down. Now we have to go to the additional settings, click on it once and then quickly double tap. Go to accessibility. Now go to the vision, go to the talkback, and now select the switcher, then click to turn off, and it's finished.